Namaskar. So, we have the topic RTI fees and cost provisions. I request the new viewers to please subscribe to the channel and like the videos. So, as per Rule 3 of RTI Rules 2012, application fees for filing an RTI is Rs 10. There is widespread confusion what fees to be charged for RTI. Mostly people think RTI is free of cost, but you have to pay certain amount for filing an RTI and for obtaining documents. Let us see. So fees for RTI filing is Rs 10, which can be taken in the mode of cash, demand draft, banker checks, Indian postal order, electronically. At present, most of the RTIs are filed electronically through electronic mode of receipt or payment. Rule 4, which provides fees for providing information. So paper cost per copy is Rs 2 per page. आपसे RTI के लिए 2 रुपये पर पेज चार्ज किया जाएगा. मोस्टली RTI PIO जो हैं फ्री में दे देते हैं, बट 5 या 10 पेपर से ज़्यादा होने पर चार्ज करते हैं. पेपर ऑन लार्जर साइज एक्चुअल कोस्ट, सैम्पल और मॉडल्स एक्चुअल कोस्ट, इंफॉर्मेशन इन CD DVD 50 पर CD DVD, printed publication price fixed for the publication, floppy diskette 50 rupees per floppy. But the main thing where confusion arises is inspection of record. Inspection of record where generally information is not provided and it is asked for inspection of files or record. First hour of inspection is free. After that 5 rupees per 15 minutes or part thereof is charged. Rule 5, which says no fee for BPL applicants, यानी below poverty line applicants, which they have to provide a proof of BPL, either a ration card or a certificate. They are free of cost, and these rules are notified by Department of Personnel and Training. These rules are applied on central public authorities. State may have their own rules. Example, Maharashtra RTI rules 2005 are there. So this is applicable everywhere. RTI fees लगती है, you have to pay it, और थ्रू आजकल UPI के थ्रू भी पे कर सकते हैं, that is available. So fees for inspection is something different. Otherwise RTI 10 rupees, 2 rupees per page, and 50-50 diskette, floppy and CD. 5 rupees per first hour is free and 5 rupees thereon. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.